Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Gustography. So today I bring for you guys another Hoya unboxing from Unsolicited.plant talks. April, you are amazing. I love the packaging. You guys know it's October, is the month of Halloween and The Walking Dead and everything spooky. And she came up with an orange sticker. That's amazing. I love this. I saw it on her Instagram stories that she had posted that her packaging is going to be orange for this month, and I feel like that's amazing. If she does like different color variations depending on the month, like say for December she does like a Christmas tree edition with like a for the sticker, I think that'll be amazing and something unique for her website. But anyways, I also wanted to stress out, if you live in California, I'm not sure if this is for any other state in the country, it says that this package is with this sticker, it's not gonna be withheld in like any facility, just for inspection, even though it's in California and I'm in California too. But I've never seen this before and I feel like this is really cool, so kudos to that. But anyways, let's get into the unboxing. Now this is a rare Hoya that I already have this Hoya actually on my collection, but it's very little and it doesn't really grow that much. I noticed that it's my slowest, or one of my slowest growing Hoyas in my collection. It's a Hoya Robolubilis. I'm not sure if I'm saying the name correctly, but it is a Hoya that's native to China. It looks like kind of like a Kentiana or like a string bean mixture. But when I saw that she added this into her website, and I picked it up and I have it now in my possession. So a lot of blabbering. Let me cut into the box and let me show you guys how the Hoya looks. Because in my channel I always do unboxings, so let's go ahead and do a live unboxing. I'm always scared when I'm opening the boxes because what if I damage the plant while at it, you know? Anyways, here you go. As usual, nice packaging. And I got the invoice. So this is how the packaging from April on Unsolicited.plant talks looks like. And then it's kind of, I can't take it out. It feels like it barely fit in the box. Oh my god, I can't really take it out. And I don't know why I'm talking like if I'm working out or something when I'm not, but gosh. Oh my god, I can't take this out. So here you go. Here is the Hoya. Did I get it the right? Yes. So I always tend to grab her packages the wrong way. Alright, so I have my handy dandy scissors. Let's go ahead and cut right here. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like my unboxings. If you think I should change something that I do on my videos, maybe just leave me a comment down below. I always appreciate everyone's comments, and I really like how everyone is sending me comments, and I'm forming connections with everyone. I forgot to tell you guys, let me show you, before I show you the Hoya, let me show you what the website shows that you can expect from this website. So this is what I'm expecting from Unsolicited.plant talks right now. So let me go ahead and show you what I received. Oh my god. Look at this Hoya Robolubilis, or Revolubilis. I'm gonna call it Hoya China since I know that it is native to China, guys. This Hoya is amazing. April, you definitely did not disappoint. Sorry, I'm looking over here. I'm looking at the viewfinder, but I'm gonna try to look at the camera. Guys, this Hoya is... I cannot. I was not expecting it to be this big.
That's what she said?
She did send me a message on Instagram that my head was going to be a little bit on the huge side, but I did not imagine that it was going to be this huge comparing to what I was expecting from the website. I thought it was going to probably have like 2 extra leaves or maybe like a little tendril going. Oh my god. I'll show you the Hoya Rebulus that I've had for months on my greenhouse, and it's not really doing much. I'll show you a little insert clip of that Hoya. Compared to this one, guys, I am impressed. And almost for the same price. Oh my god. Let me just do a close-up so you guys can see this Hoya. Guys, this Hoya is to die for, guys. I am like ecstatic with this. This is like, I cannot believe it. Like, this is crazy. The tendril, it's long, it's huge. The leaves are super healthy. I just look at this leaves right here, guys. Look at this leaf. Like, it's like, if I'm gonna do like a photo shoot, it's like it covers pretty much my whole side. Like, it's the length of my face. and it's such, oh my god, I am I'm like jerking it off, but I'm like stroking it. Guys, this is, oh my god, April, you did, I almost really want to cry because I love collecting rare Hoyas. And this, so this is, to me, it looks kind of like a Melliflua, a Kentiana, Shepherdii, Graffiti mixture. Like, I am impressed. The leaves are huge. The tendril, it's healthy and thick, and it has multiple growth points. I am impressed, guys. This is such a huge, gorgeous, magnificent Hoya, and I cannot recommend you guys enough to purchase from Unsolicited Plant Talks. Once again, I'll leave the link of her Instagram, her Facebook page, and her website on the description box. But once again, guys, amazing, amazing Hoya. I cannot believe it. You should definitely add this to your collection. I know that this is a very slow grower, but getting this one, I'm thinking that it's not a slow grower. Maybe I'm just not giving it the right condition. Maybe it doesn't like a lot of humidity, but I'm impressed, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Yeah, and like I always say at the end of my videos, don't forget to drink water and water your plants. Bye bye.